Did you know you can now create videos on ChatGPT? OpenAI has recently launched its GPT store with a new feature that can create amazing faceless automation videos. You have the opportunity to make money with ChatGPT. In this video, I'll demonstrate a simple way to create full-length automated videos for YouTube. Watch until the end, as you won't want to miss any important steps. Step 1. Head over to Google and type in ChatGPT. No need to use the prompt bar at the bottom. Instead, navigate to the left and click on Explore GPTs. When you browse the options, you'll find a variety of GPTs to choose from. There are GPTs available for writing, programming, researching, and much more. But you don't have to use any of them. Before going ahead, I have a valuable gift for you. In this channel, I offer various methods to make money online, and you may discover one that suits you. But if you want my honest advice, I'd recommend building something that's timeless, something that's been effective for years, still works today, and will work in future too. This is the key to ongoing stability and the financial freedom that comes with a steady income, giving you the sort of lifestyle where you don't have to stress all the time. I've put together a clear and straightforward 7-step blueprint that will guide you towards making 6 figures. Check out the description to grab your free copy. Now, resuming where I left off. To utilize the new GPT for video creation, click on the search bar and type Video AI. Click on Video AI by InVideo. You will be directed to this page, but before creating videos, let me explain something. Picking a popular niche for your YouTube automation channel is really important. I'm sure you've heard about personal finance. This article shows that personal finance and investments is currently one of the most popular and trending topics. It has a high CPM, cost per 1,000 impressions, of $12. Let's check out this YouTube video to confirm if it's true. This video has gotten 140,000 views in just 2 weeks and focuses on personal finance. So, according to the $12 CPM, this single video would have made more than $1,600. Imagine how much money you can make through this YouTube automation niche. After you have chosen your niche, click on the prompt bar of Video AI. Type "Help me create a brief for a video" and press enter. It will say that it can help and will ask you to share your ideas about your video. Next, type, "I would like to create a video discussing how to achieve financial goals in 2024. Please include quotes from Robert Kiyosaki, Benjamin Graham, and Dave Ramsey. Is there any additional information you need for the brief?" Then press the enter key. It is asking for some necessary information to create a brief, like target audience, tone and style, key messages, and video length. So type, "I want my target audience to be interested in personal finance, saving, budgeting, and investments. The tone should be informative, educational, and motivational. I want to focus on finance, investing, wealth, saving, budgeting, and money value. The video length should be 10 minutes long. As you can see, I have entered all the information required to create a brief. Press enter. It will ask you to confirm or deny. Click Confirm. You can see it provides some context, and the video has been generated. Click on it and play the video. This is the first draft of the video, which is pretty good. But if we want to make it even better for YouTube, we'll need some editing. Step 2. The first thing that we would want to change is the female voiceover and the length of the video. For YouTube videos, particularly in the personal finance niche, having a male voice can enhance the video's appeal. So let's change that. Click on the prompt box, type "Change the voiceover to a male voice" and make the video length to 8 minutes, and press enter. Next, I want to change the intro of the video. If you don't know, the intro is a crucial part of a video to get the viewer's attention. To make changes in the script, click Edit. This is the script of the video, which you can now edit. Delete the first sentence and add something related to the video's title. I will type, "This is how you can save money and achieve financial goals in 2024, and made some tweaking to other part of the sentence." I've included this sentence right at the start of the video to let people know that this video will help them save money and achieve their goals. Do the same with the third sentence, as it looks a bit boring too. Select and delete it. Type "Forget your last year" and follow this plan to make 2024 full of wealth and financial success. You can notice how this sentence will grab people's attention, so that's perfect. Now let's look at the quotes AI has added from Robert Kiyosaki, Benjamin Graham, and Dave Ramsey that I asked for. As you can see, all of these quotes in the script are related to the topic, which is fine. If you find any quote not resonating with the topic, you can delete it and add another from Google. The rest of the script looks good, so I will leave it at that and click on Apply Changes. Now, play the video to check. The script now sounds much better because I made some changes to the beginning part. So, if I change some of the clips, the video will look attractive. Step 3. To remove and add another clip in the video, click Edit. To make a change, click on the first clip. After that, head over to the search bar, where you'll enter New Year Financial Goals and hit Enter. It will give you a bunch of clips to choose from. All of them are pretty cool motion graphics. Choose a clip that you think looks better. The first clip has been replaced now. I will do the same with second clip. If you notice, this clip is too long. To make people interested in the video visually, let me change the duration of this clip. Click on the 3 dots on the clip and enter 2 seconds in the ideal duration option. Click Apply Changes. Because I have shortened the clip durations, InVideo will automatically add stock clips to cover the gaps. So, I will replace them by swapping clips from these, which are way better. I'm giving a lot of effort to the first 10 to 15 seconds because it's crucial to capture people's attention during this time. Play the video, and once you are satisfied, export it. Go to Export and click Export Video. It will ask you for a stock watermark or no watermark. You have to click no watermark because this way the video will look more attractive. To access this feature, you must have one of the premium plans at InVideo. Plus plan is for $25 per month, giving you 50 minutes of AI generation, while the Max plan gives you 200 minutes of AI generation with 400 GB storage. Choose the plan that suits your needs best, or you can go with the free plan. Then click 1080p so you can get a top quality video. Finally, click Continue. Step 4. Once you have created the video for your YouTube channel, it's important to have a good thumbnail to go along with it. For this, I will use ChatGPT. Go to chat.openai and click on the prompt bar. Type, "Can you make a thumbnail of a whiteboard in a dark room with financial goals with volumetric lighting 4K for YouTube?" Press Enter, and you can see how cool the thumbnail looks. Now you have the video and thumbnail ready to be uploaded. Before you upload your video, let me show you how you can earn money by adding affiliate links in the video's description. You know how much Robert Kiyosaki has mentioned the importance of financial education and investing. This means you can share links for books in the video description related to these topics. So when someone watches the video, they can easily access these links and make a purchase if they're interested. In this way, you will make money not only with video monetization, but also with affiliate links. I really hope you enjoyed our journey today into making money from the comfort of your home. Now don't miss out. There's a video right here on your screen, specially picked for you. It's packed with fresh, effective ideas for multiplying your online income. Trust me, this one's a game changer. Click and see for yourself.